Hello guys, this is Mariotech and I'm back with another video. Everyone want a gaming PC, but not everyone have the money to afford it. But today I will give you a look into some ultra cheap gaming PCs that will save your gaming life. Before we start, those note the cheapest gaming PC, but those are the best cheap gaming PC in the market. First of all, the CyberPower Gamer Stream VR. The CyberPower Gamer Stream VR offers an excellent sweet spot between performance and value. With its Core i5 processor and Radeon RX 580 graphics card, this beefy tower can run most modern games at high settings, and it's got enough muscle to handle VR. It come with an 8GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB 7200 RPM HDD, Wi-Fi and Windows 10 Home, and for the price it's $720. I will put a link for the description if you wanna know more. Thanks to its AMD Ryzen 3 processor, the Dell Inspiron gaming desktop manages to deliver strong overall performance for an inviting price. It's one of the most premium looking budget gaming PCs I have seen, with a backlit blue and silver design that's more stylish than the Dell XPS Tower, but more subtle than the Alienware Aurora. The Inspiron gaming desktop is upgrade friendly, provided you don't mind removing a few screws, and it can handle VR without breaking much of a sweat. This desktop also turned in the highest frame rate in our eyes of the Tomb Raider test and Steam VR performance test out of all the budget machines. Also, it come with 8GB DDR4, 2400 MHz memory, 128GB SSD, 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive and AMD Radeon RX 570, 4GB, all that for just $649. iBuyPower's BTS Mini Special is the clear winner of the Style Award, capturing the attention of nearly everyone. Thanks to its small, sexy, and see-through in-win case. It's also one of the only budget desktops I tested that you can easily open up without the need for a screwdriver. While it's not exactly ideal for VR, the BTS did outperform several other machines at the sub $700 price range in the Geekbench 4 benchmark and Rise of the Tomb Raider tests. However, we wouldn't recommend playing games on maximum settings at 1080p. You can also keep on upgrading it like you want. The SkyTech Archangel is worth considering if you're looking to spend as little as possible while still getting decent performance. The Archangel's futuristic design is attractive, fairly lightweight and easy to open up, and its Nvidia GTX 1050 graphics card can handle mainstream games at medium to high settings. However, the Archangel doesn't quite meet the requirements of the Oculus Rift or HTC Vive, so don't expect to do any VR on this thing. It come with FX 6300 3.50 GHz 6-core, GTX 1050 Ti 4GB, 8GB DDR3, 1TB HDD, 24x DVD, Wi-Fi, USB and Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, all that for just $680. Lenovo's Legion Y720 Cube is built for portability, with a compact boxy design and a convenient carrying handle for bringing it to your next LAN party. The PC's Intel Core i3 processor and GTX 1050 Ti graphics can handle mainstream games at decent fidelity, though you'll have to turn down some settings to get 30 FPS performance on many titles. The Y720 handled Hitman and Grand Theft Auto V fairly well, but turned in one of the weaker Geekbench 4 scores we've seen, and couldn't handle VR at all. Fortunately, the Y720 Cube is pretty upgradable, but you can get better out-of-box performance from other models. It come with Intel Core i3, 8GB of RAMs, 1TB of storage, Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050 Ti and Windows 10 for $720. That is it for today guys, hope you liked the video, and if you want my opinion, I will go with the CyberPower Gamer Stream VR for his powerful design and features. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Have a nice day.